In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a Google Calendar sync error in just a few simple steps. If your events aren't showing up properly across your devices, or changes you make on one device don't appear on another, this quick adjustment in your settings can often resolve the problem. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that's having the sync issues. If you use multiple Google accounts, it's easy to be in the wrong one without noticing. So take a second to confirm you're in the right calendar by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the main Google Calendar page, look toward the top right area of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where Google hides most of the advanced options that can affect how your calendar behaves and syncs. After you click the gear, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a dedicated settings page, which may look a bit overwhelming at first because there are a lot of options on the left-hand side. Don't worry, we're only going to focus on one specific section that can impact syncing. On the left menu, look for the section called Offline. Click on Offline to open its settings. Offline mode is a feature that lets you access your calendar even when you don't have an internet connection. It does this by storing a copy of your calendar data on your device. While this is useful in some cases, it can sometimes contribute to sync problems, especially if that offline data conflicts with what's stored in the cloud. When the offline settings page opens, you'll see an option that says turn on offline calendar or something very similar depending on your version. If this is currently enabled, you'll notice that it's switched on or checked. To help fix syncing issues, you want to disable this feature. Click to turn on offline calendar. Once you disable offline calendar, your browser will stop relying on that local copy of your calendar and instead always pull the latest information directly from Google servers. This can clear up mismatched or outdated events and usually helps restore proper syncing between your computer, phone, and any other devices connected to the same account. After turning offline calendar off, give it a moment, then return to your main calendar view. You may want to refresh the page to make sure everything reloads properly. Then check your other devices and see if your events are now up to date. In many cases, you'll notice that missing or outdated events begin to line up correctly again. If things still seem out of sync, you can also try signing out of your Google account and signing back in, or closing and reopening your browser. But often, simply disabling the offline calendar option is enough to resolve common sync errors. That's all you need to do. By going to Google Calendar, opening the settings, navigating to the offline section, and turning off the offline calendar option, you give your calendar a fresh start at syncing correctly across all your devices.